The battery's full.
Oh. Did you just put that thing?
I'm about to right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special guest with me. You can introduce yourself.
My name is Maya.
And Maya and I are going to make giant fluffy slime.
So today we're using glue, soap, borax, and to make activator we're just going to add borax and water and shaving cream. First we add the glue, which is really messy. It's going to get messy though. Oh, that's nasty. There's a bubble! Then we add the soap. And then we add the shaving cream. It's so hard. Why is it like this? We're going to have 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of borax. And then we're going to mix it up.
You can start mixing this up. Go, with your hands. Dive in there. Go ahead, you gotta get all the glue from the bottom. Yep. Is it coming together?
Yes. Keep doing it. Doesn't want to break. And we got it to work. It's done. Now we're going to add our color until we finish mixing and getting this on the hands. Really nice. And it's not that stretchy, but who cares? It's nice doing.
I want to see yours. You like yours better.
So now we're going to put our color in. Do the two.
I'm gonna just do.
How do you open this?
Just a little squirt.
See? Wait, it's blue over here.
Careful, don't get the paint to be on the table. Come off.
So nice. Oh, it's turning blue. I'm so happy it's turning blue. We add our paint in it. It took us a long time to make it. The color that we wanted. So pretty. Look at mine.
I think that was a success.
I'm sure it was. It's my favorite slime. I'm gonna play with this forever.
See you guys in my next video.
Bye!